following is a lecture on the Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 6, Chapter 2, Text number 19, given by His Divine Grace Gaur Govinda Swami on June the 17th, 1992, in Berkeley, California.
वेदे रामायणेश्चैव पुराणे भारती तथा आद्यौ शान्ति च मध्ये च हरि सर्वत्र गीयते मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपास्तमं वन्दे श्रीगुरु दिनतारिणे परमानन्दमाधवं परमानंद ही माधव पदुंगलुचि मकरंद से मकरंद पान करी आनंदे बोलो हरि हरि हरिंक नामे बांधवेला पारी करिवे चकाडोला से चकाडोलांक पयरी मनम रहु निरंतरे मनम निरंतरे रहु हा कृष्ण बोली जीवदा हा कृष्ण बोली जाऊ जीव मते उद्धर राधा धर्म प्रज्जीत कैतवत्रो परम निर्मथुराण स्वतां वेद्यम वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयनुमूलनं श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा प्रेरीश्वर सद्य हृदय वरुध्य त्यत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिः तत्क्षणात् निगमकल्पतरुगलितं फलं शुकमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः अनर्थोपशमं साक्षात् भक्ति जोगं अधोक्षते लोकस्यादानतो विद्वंसक्री सात्वत संहितां जस्यां वैसूयमानायां कृष्णे परमपुरुषे भक्तिरुत्पद्यते पुंसस्तोकमोहो भयापः अनर्थोपशमं साक्षात् भक्ति जोगं अधोक्षते लोकस्यादानता विद्वंसक्री सात्वत संहितां जस्यां वैसूयमानायां कृष्णे परमपुरुषे Bhakti Sukamoho Bhayapa. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam, just young Vaisuyamana, one can very easily develop Krishna Bhakti, pure Krishna Bhakti, as a result of which all his material fears, lamentations, and delusions are destroyed completely forever. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. धर्म प्रज्जित कैतवत्रो परम निर्मसनं सतां वेद्यं वास्तवमत्र वस्तु शिवदं तापत्रयन्मूलनं श्रीमद्भागवते महामुनिकृते किं वा प्रेरीश्वर सद्य हृदय वरुध्य तेऽत्र कृतिभिः शुश्रूषुभिः तत्क्षणात्. The Srimad Bhagavatam speaks of dharma prajjita kaitavo is a pure Bhagavad Dharma, is not Kaitava Dharma. Kaitava Dharma means cheating Dharma. It is not cheating Dharma. Dharma Prajjita Kaitava. That means cheating Dharma is completely, condemned here. It's pure Bhagavad Dharma. What is cheating Dharma? Sanatana Prabhu Bolo. What is cheating Dharma? Come forward here. Front. No, that devotee. Sanatana. Yes. Huh? What is cheating Dharma? 4 types of cheating are there. Kaitava Chatushta. Isn't it, Magalila Prabhu? Huh? Kaitava Chatushta. Chatushta means 4. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. You follow? Huh? Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. So-called religiosity, economic development, material desire, fulfillment, material desire, and liberation. Huh? These are 4 types of cheating dharma. Kaitava Chatushta. And Srimad Bhagavatam condemns this. This 4 types of Kaitava dharma is condemned here. Dharma Prajjita Kaitava Tro. It's pure Bhagavad dharma. Atma dharma. Sanatana dharma. Speaks of. And who understands this dharma tattva? Who understands? हाँ बोलो, परम निर्मोषण सतान वेद्यं. Huh? To understand this thing. Second verse of Srimad Bhagavatam. This is second verse. Huh? Parama Nirmasana Sadam Vedyam. Sadam means devotees. Those devotees can understand the Dharma Tattva, those who are Parama Nirmasana, not envious. Do you follow my language? Non-envious. Devotees who are not envious, they can understand the Dharma Tattva. Becoming devotees envious cannot understand this. Pure Bhagavad Dharma. Do you understand? Paramanimasa Sadam Vidyam Vastamatra Vastu Sivadam Tapatrayana Mulanam speaks of Vastavastu. What is English? I don't know. Vastavastu, real Vastu. What is that? Krishna is only real Vastu. Vastavastu. Everything else is Abhastava. Do you follow? Opposite. Not real Vastu. It's Abhastava. Sanskrit will say Abhastava. Vastava, Abhastava. Real Vastu, not real. Do you follow my language? My language is faulty language. Please, excuse me. And please try to help me. I need your help. Do you understand? As far as best as I can, I try my best to explain it in English, but I face difficulty in expressing in English language. If you know some Sanskrit or Bengali, it will be very easy for you. My language is such language, so I beg excuse. But you try, you are very anxious, eager to understand. Mahaprabhu, Nityananda Prabhu, Krishna will help you. They will help you. They can help you. You understand? Yes, try to understand me. Vastavastu is Krishna. Vastavastu Sivadam. Is Siva all auspicious. You understand? It's all auspicious. Krishna Katha. Hearing Krishna Katha, you'll get all auspiciousness. Develop Krishna Bhakti. Krishna Bhakti means all auspicious. Nothing inauspicious. Bhakti joga thake, sab kusal mangal. Bhakti bina raja hoile o mangal. Chaitanya Bhagavata. In Chaitanya Bhagavata it is said. If Bhakti yoga is there, you have developed another devotion unto Krishna, the Supreme Lord. All auspiciousness, nothing inauspicious. Do you understand? Amangala Gna, it is said, Amangala Gna. If any inauspiciousness is that, it will destroy it. Do you understand? It will destroy. No question of any inauspiciousness. Bhakti yoga thake, sakol kusal. If you have bhakti yoga, all auspiciousness. Bhakti bina raja hoile amangala. If you become king, but without bhakti, you will come all sorts of inauspiciousness. Do you understand? Yes. He is king, but no bhakti, without bhakti. All inauspicious. He welcomes all inauspiciousness. Though he is king. Yes. That is what. So only by Vaisramanayam Krishna Paramapurushe Bhakti Ruspaditi Punsa Sokamoho Bhyapa. Only by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam from the right source, not bogus source. Right source. Bhakti Bhagavata, Vaishnava, who is an embodiment of Bhagavata. If you hear Bhagavata from him, then you will develop very easily, only by hearing this Bhakti, Krishna Bhakti. Thereby all your material fears, lamentations, delusions will be destroyed forever, forever. No more. Dharma pradhita kaitavatra paramanirmasana sadam vedyam vastamatra vastu sivadam tapatrayana malanam. Three tapas, adhyatmika, adhibhautika, adhidaivika. Three types of material heat, three tapas will be completely destroyed by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. Tapatrayana malanam, Srimad Bhagavate, Mahamuni krute, kimba paririshvara, sadya, hrudya, varudya, teatra krutivi, susubhi tatkana. If someone only develops desire that I'll go and hear Srimad Bhagavatam, Krishna, who is there in your heart, immediately becomes awakened. Only by development of desire that I'll go and hear Srimad Bhagavatam. Only by development of desire, Krishna, who is there in the heart, becomes immediately awakened. Immediately awakened. And if he comes daily, Nitya Bhagavata Sevaya is daily activity. It's not 1 day's affair or 5 days affair or 7 days affair or 1 month. Daily, Nitya Dharma. As you have daily activity, eating, sleeping, taking rest, passing stool, urine, cleansing body, taking bath, daily activity, isn't it? Similar daily activity. Hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. Nitya Bhagavatam. Daily. Yes. If you won't eat, if you won't pass stool, if you won't take bath, what will happen to you? Huh? Body will suffer. Similarly, if you won't come and hear Srimad Bhagavatam daily, soul will suffer. Develop. Soul will suffer. Soul is there. As long as soul is there in the body has a value. Isn't it? Soul gets out of the body. What is this? A clump of dead matter. Isn't it? Nothing else. It's a clump of dead matter. Isn't it? Huh? If soul gets out of the body. Huh? So, if you want to hear Srimad Bhagavatam daily, the soul will suffer. Huh? If you want to give food to your body, what will happen? No, if you want to give food to your body, then body will become weakened. Weak. Do you understand? Gradually dwindle and die. Then if you want to give food to your soul, what will happen? This is food for the soul. Isn't it? This is food for the soul. Huh? Then soul will become weak. Soul will never die, but soul will leave this body. I want to be in this body. I'll live because you're not giving food to me. Huh? Do you understand? One is sane man. You're not insane. Sane man. With the good brain. Huh? Conscientious person. He must hear. Yes. He'll be serious. Yes. I must give food to the soul. Huh? What will happen by soul? It will get out of this body. Huh? So this is food for the soul. Sadhya, hridya, varudhya, tetra krutibhi, susrusu tatkana. He says. Only by development desire to go and hear Srimad Bhagavatam daily, Krishna is there in your heart, becomes awakened. And if one comes daily and hears Srimad Bhagavatam, with concentrated attention, putting full faith, you understand, Shraddha, from the right source, he immediately, very easily develops Krishna Bhakti, Prem Bhakti, pure Bhakti. Thereby Krishna becomes bound up. You follow? Krishna becomes bound up there in the heart. That Prem Bhakti. Varudhya means bound up. So, Krishna becomes bound up in the heart by the rope of love, Prem Bhakti. And never leaves this. Never leaves his heart. Do you understand? And such is the effect of hearing Srimad Bhagavatam. Sthane sthita srudigatang tanumang manovir ja prayaso ajito jito apyasis tais trilokyam. 10th canto Srimad Bhagavatam is statement given by Lord Brahma. Do you understand? Amagalila Prabhu. Jnane prayaso udapasya namanta eva jivanti samukritang bhavadiya vartang sthane sthita srudigatang tanumang manovir ja prayaso ajito jito apyasis tais trilokyam. He said, give up Gyan Prayas. Gyan Prayas means those who don't hear, only speculate. Only speculate. You understand my word? Speculators. Only speculate. Don't hear. That is Gyan Prayas. Lord Brahma said, give up that Gyan Prayas process. We have two processes. Ascending process and descending process. Isn't it? Avaroha pantha, aroha pantha. Huh? Do you follow my language? Ascending process and descending process. Our process is descending process. Do you understand? Hearing process. Srota pantha, hearing. By hearing from the right source, Acharya, the Sabda Brahma. Do you understand? Sabda Brahma. Huh? Sabda means word. Transcendental words. Krishna Katha. is Param Brahma, not different from Krishna. It descends. Do you follow my language? Huh? It descends in the form of words, Sabda Brahma, that Param Brahma Krishna descends. That means by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam Krishna Katha, transcendental nectarian Katha, from the right source, from the lips of pure Vaishnava, who is an embodiment of Bhagavata, then Krishna descends and through your ear it enters there. Do you follow me? But those who are speculators, impersonalists, always speculate. They don't hear. They adopt ascending process. You understand? That is Gyan Prayas. They cannot understand. They cannot understand. They only speculate. They go on speculating. Thousands of years, even thousands of lives, cannot understand. No chase tathanni chiram vichinnan. That is it. Cannot. Give up that Gyan Prayas method. You hear. You only come and hear. You may not do any other sadhana. If you only come and hear Srimad Bhagavatam. Shruti Godang Tanubang Manabhip Ja Praya So Ajito Jito Apyasista Lokya. No other sadhana you may not do. Only here. Srimad Bhagavatam daily. Come daily and hear Srimad Bhagavatam from the lips of a pure Vaishnava. You'll develop Krishna, Prem Bhakti. Such Prem Bhakti will develop, thereby you'll be able to conquer the unconquerable. Krishna is unconquerable, Ajita. One of the names of Krishna is Ajita, isn't it? Ajita. Ajita means unconquerable. In 3 words, nobody can conquer him. He is unconquerable. But you will be able to conquer him by developing such Prem Bhakti, by hearing Srimad Bhagavatam from the right source. Ajita Jito. This is. You understand? Only by hearing. That is it. Sarva Vedanta Saramhi Srimad Bhagavatam Isyate Tadrasamrita Truptasya Nanyatrasya Dratikajit. The essence of all Vedic literature, Krishna Bhakti Rasa Swarup, Sri Bhagavata, Tate Veda Shastra Hite, Parama Mahatma. It is Krishna Bhakti Rasa. Mellow of Krishna Bhakti, nectarian mellow. Will not taste it, drink it. If someone can develop taste for it, oh, how nice nectar. Do you understand? Have you tasted nectar? You are tasting liquor, not nectar. Taste nectar. Why are you tasting liquor? That is like stool. Give up this thing. All right? Give up completely. Taste this nectar emanating from Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha. Do you understand? How can you taste? Do you understand? Karna putepi, you will taste, drink it through ears, not through this. That should understand the skill, how to drink it. You should drink it through Karna putepi vanti, not through the lips. Mouth is through ears, isn't it? Prabhu. This nectar should be drunk through ears. Do you understand, Sanatan? Yes. Then you can taste how nectarian juice it is. Tadrasamrita truptasya nanyatra sedrati kuchit. One is so fortunate that he develops taste for it and daily tastes, drinks it. He will never aspire for any other shastra, only Srimad Bhagavatam. Because it is the essence of all Veda, Upanishad, everything. Do you understand? Bhagavata jena mane se javana sama tar shastra se janme janme prabhu jama. One who doesn't accept Srimad Bhagavatam, the teachings given in Srimad Bhagavatam, the conclusions drawn in Srimad Bhagavatam, is mletsa and javan. One who cannot put faith in it, a doubtful person, mletsa javan. He will be punished by Jamarat life after life. Do you understand? ভাগবত যে না মানে সে যবন সম, তার শাস্ত্র আছে প্রভু জন্মে জন্মে life after life will be punished. We accept it. Is Vibhu, that's good. Yesterday I said as good as Krishna, not different from Krishna. As we take shelter of Krishna, we take shelter of Srimad Bhagavatam. You understand? Sarvasra, Vibhu Sarvasra. This is glorification of Srimad Bhagavatam, begging his mercy before reading, before speaking in Srimad Bhagavatam. Otherwise, we cannot approach without his mercy. Therefore, beg mercy. This is glorification of Srimad Bhagavatam. Well, let's come to this stage. Om Namo Bhagavati Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavati Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavati Vasudevaya. Srimad Bhagavatam, 6th canto, chapter 2, text 19. Jathagatam virjatamam upajuktam jadrutshaya adanato gunam kurjan mantropi udaruto. Jathagatam virjatamam upajuktam jadrutshaya adanato gunam kurjan mantropi udaruto. Very important verse. Most important. Translation by Srila Prabhupada. If a person unaware of the effective potency of a certain medicine takes that medicine or is forced to take it, it will act even without his knowledge because its potency doesn't depend on the patient's understanding. Similarly, even though one doesn't know the value of chanting the holy name of the Lord, if one chants knowingly or unknowingly, the chanting will be very effective. You understand? You don't know what this tablet contains. Huh? You are a patient, rogi. Huh? You have disease. Huh? Isn't it? Yeah. So you go to a physician, doctor. Huh? Who knows? Who knows the science of disease and science of medicine? You understand? Doctor. So he prescribes the medicine, gives prescription. Go to the shop where the medicine is available. So this prescription, get this medicine. Huh? Some tablets, pills. Huh? So you get it. Huh? He said, just devour it. Huh? You don't know what the tablet contains. But if you devour, you get this effect. Yes. The disease is cured. Huh? It doesn't depend on your knowledge or not knowledge. Huh? Knowingly or unknowingly. Huh? Doesn't depend. Similarly, the holy name. It is said, Tathagatam virjatamu adanato pyatma gunam. Jadrutsa upajuktam jadrutsaya adanato pyatma gunam kurjyan mantropi udahata. It says. Similarly, even though don't know the value of chanting holy name of the Lord, if one chants knowingly or unknowingly, Sathava Hedeva Bhrugavara, knowingly or unknowingly, the chanting will be effective. Yes, we get it as a result. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. In the Western countries where the Hare Krishna movement is spreading, learned scholars and throughout other thoughtful men are realizing its effectiveness. For example, Dr. J. Stilson Judah, a learned scholar, has been very much attracted to this movement because he has actually seen that it is turning hippies addicted to drugs into pure Vaishnavas who voluntarily become servants of Krishna and humanity. Yes, practical effect, huh? Isn't it? Not theoretical. Even a few years ago, such hippies didn't know Hare Krishna mantra, but now they are chanting it, becoming pure Vaishnavas. Thus, they are becoming free from all sinful activities, such as illicit sex, intoxication, meat eating, and gambling. This is practical proof of the effectiveness of Hare Krishna movement, which is supported in this verse. One may or may not know the value of chanting Hare Krishna mantra, but if one somehow or other chants it, he will immediately be purified. Just as one who takes a potent medicine will feel its effects, regardless of whether he takes it knowingly or unknowingly. It's so effective, this Hare Krishna mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Just hear from the right source and chant. You get many scriptures, Vedic scriptures, evidences are there. Shastra Praman. Shastra Praman. Evidences given in Vedic literature. Brhat Naradiya Purana says, Achidananda Govindo Namachareno Bhisita Nasyanti Sakala Rogaha Satyam Satyam Vedam Vadamiham. That means frightened by hearing the utterance of the holy names, O Achyuta, O blissful, embodied, O Govinda, all the diseases get cured. All the diseases get cured. I abhor. This is an inevitable truth. Do you follow? Yes. Parasara Sangita says, Nasamba Vyadhijam Dukkham Heyam Nadyam Sadhairapihi Harinamu Sadayam Pitva Vyadhistyadu no sansaya. O Samba, diseases are not cured by other medicine, but by using this great medicine of Sri Harinam, they are definitely removed. Knowingly or unknowingly. Only devouring a tablet, it acts, but it is much more effective than that. Disease not cured by any medicine can be cured by this. If you chant Hare Krishna, do you follow? Yes. Hari Bhakti Vilas Sanatana Goswami has said, Adayo Vyadayadasya Smaranam Nama Kirtana Tadeva Vilayam Janti Tamanantam Namamyam. I offer my prostrated obeisances to the infinite Lord, because by remembering Him and singing His names, chanting His names, all the physical and mental elements are forthwith rooted out. Isn't it? Test it. Apply it. And get the result. Do you understand? Bani Puran says, Mahavyadhi Sanasanno Rajavadopapidita Narayaniti Sankirtya Niratanko Bhavennara. That means a person who is highly afflicted by the acute and chronic diseases, acute and chronic diseases, and oppressed by ruling powers, king or government, is relieved of all his fears and anxieties by mere chanting the name of Narayana. Only by chanting, uttering the name of Narayana, not directly to the Lord, only calling his son of Jamila. All his sinful reactions are completely destroyed. Immediately, 4 Vishnudutas appeared, protected him. Do you understand? Jamadutas couldn't take him to Jamapura. Do you understand? He didn't die. His lifespan increased, isn't it? Yes. So, such is the effect. Brihad Vishnu Puran says, Sarvaroga Pasamanam, Sarvopadravanasanam, Santidam, Sarvarishtanam, Hare Namanukirtanam. That means incessant chanting of Sri Harinam. Incessant. Always. What difficulty is there? Chant. Engage your hands, legs, all senses, limbs of the body in the activity work. And in mouth you chant Hare Krishna. Mukh mein naam, hath mein kaam. We say the saying. Mukh mein naam, hath mein kaam. Engage your hands in work, activity. Chant Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. While working in the office or factory, going in the bus or car or aeroplane, while taking food, any activity you may be doing, chant Hare Krishna. Is there any difficulty? Any tax is there for payment? If you go by car in the road, you have to pay tax, pay a toll here. Otherwise cannot go. But no tax is required for it. Do you understand? Still you are not chanting. But difficulty is there. Do you follow? It says, Sarva Roga Pasamanam, Sarva Upadravanasanam, Santidam, Sarvarishtanam, Hare Namanukirtanam. Incessant chanting of Sri Harinam destroys all diseases and obstacles. You understand? All obstacles. This holy name is the best remedy for the rooting out of all misfortunes. All misfortunes. All good fortune will come to you. What difficulty? Why are you not chanting? Start chanting from today, from this moment. All right? Put complete faith in it. Don't allow any doubt. You understand? There should no tinge of doubt. Otherwise, sansaya atma vinasati. But doubt, you will perish. No doubt at all. No tinge of doubt at all. Complete faith. Immediately you get result. Yes. Yes. Brahma Vaivarta Purana says, Sarva Papa Prasamanam, Sarva Upadravanasanam, Sarva Dukkha, Khayakaram, Harinamanukirtanam. Do you understand? It destroys all kinds of sins, removes all obstacles, and strikes at the very root of distress of all kinds. Srimad Bhagavatam, 12th canto says, Sankirtyamano Bhagavananantaha Srutanubhavo Vyasano hi punsan Pravishya chitam vidunoti asesam Jathatam arko abrami bhati bhato. That means, just as the sun dispels the darkness, or a heavy wind storm drives away formations of clouds, even so, the infinite Lord manifesting in the hearts of those persons who listen and chant the narrations connected with the transcendental glory of Lord, it destroys all their miseries. You understand? All their miseries. Haribhakti Vilas, Sanatana Goswami has quoted. Artha visanna siddhilasa bhita ghoresu cha vyadhisu vartamana sankirtya narayana sabdamekam vimukta dukkha sukhino bhavanti. That means persons who are perplexed and depressed in spirits, those who are sluggish, those who are always frightened, and those who are attacked with virulent diseases are all totally freed from all their afflictions, both physical and mental, and attain perfect happiness by uttering the word Narayana. In Vishnu Dharma it is said, Kirtana Deva Devasya Vishnuramita Tejasa, Jakyo Rakyaso Betal, Bhuta Preta Vinayaka, Dakino Vidravanti Smoje, Tathaneta Hinsaka, Sarva Anartha Harang, Tasya Nama Sankirtana Smrutam. That means by the mere chanting of Sri Harinam, the Lord of incomprehensible prayers, cruel beings like Jakyas, Rakshasas, demons, ghosts, evil spirits, etc., flee away. Sri holy name, this Nam Sankirtan, is an excellent remedy to destroy all sorts of evils. Oh. Again, in Vishnu Dharma it is said, Nam Sankirtanam krutva krutut praskalitadisu bijogam sigamapnati sarvanarthena no sansayam. There is no doubt. One should not put any doubt. You understand? Develop any doubt in it. There is no doubt that this Nam Sankirtan, even when uttered in times of hunger, thirst, or when tumbling down, is the best course to whip out all sufferings. Huh? Padma Purana says, Mahana lasa jwala jwala lokesu sarvada jannamam vadodharachayam pravishtu naivadayati. That means the blazing flames of infatuation that is spreading daily is burning down mankind incidentally. But the fires could never burn when one either uttering or listening Sri Harinam takes shelter in the cooling shadows of rain-bearing clouds of Sri Harinam. You follow, understand? Again, it is said in Vishnu Dhamma, Mama namani loke asmin sadaya jastu kirtoye tasya parada kotistu khema meva na sansaya. Lord himself says this thing. There is no doubt whatsoever that I definitely pardon crores of offenses of the person who utter my names with implicit faith. With implicit faith one utters, all his offenses are destroyed. Huh? In Krishnamrita Stotra it is said, Sarva Mangala Mangalyam, Ayusham Vadinasanam, Bhukti Mukti Pradam Divyam, Vasudevasya Kirtanam. That means the kirtan of the name of Krishna enables the attainment of all auspicious results, increases longevity, destroys the innumerable diseases, helps gaining both enjoyment and liberation and the attainment of even Vaikuntha, God's abode itself. Adi Puran, Lord says, Krishna says, Gitvacha mama namani nartayen mama sannidho idam brabhimite satyam kritoham tena charjuna. Gitvacha mama namani rudanti mama sannidho tesangaham parikrito nannakrito janardana. Krishna says to Arjuna, oh Arjuna, I swear, I promise before you that I become practically purchased by those who sing my names in my presence and dance, and those who sing my names and cry before me. I, Janardhan, being unpurchasable by others, becomes purchased by them. Huh? You follow? Chant Hare Krishna and cry before him. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant this name and cry and dance before him. You will be able to purchase him. Do you understand? That is the only price you have to give. No other price is there. Crying and chanting and crying. Do you understand? Yes. Are you crying, Sanatan? Tears are not coming out. Huh? Tears are not coming out from his eyes. So, how will it be? Huh? Don't cry. How can you purchase it? Mahaprabhu was crying. Mahaprabhu was teaching personally. Huh? Standing, crying. Do you understand? Ko nanda kula chandrama, ko sikhi kalam krudi, huh? Ko rasara satan navi, ko manga murali rava, huh? Ko manga murali rava, ko rasara satan navi. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu was practical teaching us. He's Krishna himself, but he came as a devotee. Do you understand? Assuming the mood of devotee to practically teach us how to develop bhakti, how to surrender unto Krishna, how to cry for Krishna. Then you can get Krishna. Do you understand? That real surrender. Ko nanda kula chandrama. Ko sikhi kalam krudi, ko manga murali rava, ko rasara satannavi. Where is that Krishna? Son of Nanda Maharaj. Where is that Krishna on his crest, his peacock feather? Do you follow? Amagalila Prabhu. Where is that Krishna on his crest, peacock feather is there? Sikhi kalam krudi. Barahapatansa, Brahma Samhita says. Barahapatansa. Barahapatansa means, Avatansa means on the head. His peacock feather is there. Is Krishna, nobody else. His Sikhipucha Mauli, he says. If you put peacock feather on the crest of Gauranga, how can he cry? Oh, I am Krishna. Isn't it? You have put on his crest peacock feather. Made him Krishna. He is Krishna, no doubt. But he is crying for Krishna. Do you follow my point? Mogalila Prabhu. So, his mood, Rarudyamana, always crying for Krishna. Feeling pangs of Sivaras of Krishna, Gaura is always crying. Ko Krishna Nanda Kula Chandrama, ko Sikhi Kalam Krudi, ko Mandra Murali Rava, ko Rasara Satannavi. Where is that Krishna, son of Nanda Maharaj? Where is that Krishna on whose crest peacock feather is there? Where is that Krishna with the flute on his lips and singing so sweetly? Where is that Krishna who dances in a rasa? Jivana Rakshasadi Mama, who is medicine of my burning heart. O Sakhi. Radharani is crying, is Radha. Gauranga Mahaprabhu has Jimmed Radha. Do you understand? What he says? Gauranga Mahimaro Radhanga Sparsana. Bolo. Gauranga Mahimaro Radhanga Sparsana. Brajendra Sutamina Nasparse Anya Jana. Bolo. Radha Madhav. Gauranga Mahimaro Radhanga Sparsana. Brajendra Sutamina Nasparse Anya Jana. This is not the body of Gauranga. This is Radhanga. Do you follow my language? This is Radhanga. It's the body of Radharani. Only Brajendra Sutta, only son of Nanda Maharaj can touch this body. Nobody else can touch. So, do you follow me? So can he cry now? No! Don't disturb the mood of Gaura. No, don't disturb the mood of Gaura. It's very painful to him. You follow? He is Krishna. That's Tattva is Krishna. But what is the mood? What is the mood? Do you follow me? Discussing of mood. Huh? He's always crying, feeling pangs of separation from Krishna. Hari Hari Bolite Nayanubhai. He is Hari himself. Uttering name of Hari sheds tear, isn't it? Radha, Madhav. Huh? Can he shed tear now? No. He cannot shed tear now. Can he? You have disturbed his mood. Yes. Don't do it. Huh? Yes. That is teaching us. कहाँ गले कहाँ पाऊं मुरली बदना के हमते भेटाइबो श्री नंद नंदन कहाँ को कहिबी के हो बुझे मोर व्यथा ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना फाटे मोर बुक कहाँ को कहिबी के हो बुझे मोर दुख ब्रजेंद्र नंदन बिना फाटे मोर बुक. Do you understand? Mahaprabhu says, where shall I go? Where shall I find that Krishna, the flute on his lips? Huh? Bansi Vadana. Who? Is there anybody who can help me? Who can help me in finding out that Krishna, the son of Nanda Maharaj? Huh? Is there anybody who can help me? Huh? To whom I shall express my pain in my heart? Is there anybody who can understand the pain I get in my heart? Do you understand? To whom shall I speak this thing? Do you understand? My heart is splitting for son of Nanda Maharaj. That is his mood. That is his mood. Huh? He's crying. That is the mood of Gaura. And he's teaching this thing. Rudanti mama sannidham, gayanti mama namani rudanti mama sannidham, kesang parikrito, nannakrito janardana. Chanting my names, Krishna says. Chanting my names, who weeps, who cries before me, who sheds tears. He purchases me. I become purchased by him. So, this is the only price you have to give, Sanatana. Shed tears. Sunarma, get some mirchi, put on his eyes, so let tears roll down. Huh? Sanatana's eyes, dry. It's dry. No moisture. Huh? Not crying? How can you get? Sanatana. Do you follow? Mahaprabhu is teaching this thing personally. He is Krishna himself, but he is crying for Krishna. Unless you cry for Krishna, how can you get Allah? No. Cry. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Rama, Hare. This is the soul's crying. Do you understand? This is soul's crying. Soul is crying. Yes, this is crying. Chanting means, this holy name means crying in the heart. That is Mahaprabhu's teaching. Do you follow? Amagalila Prabhu. Practically, he came to teach us practically. Isn't it? Krishna thought, I have only said theoretically. That evening I said there. Huh? I said theoretically. I have not practically demonstrated how to surrender. Huh? So he came. I have to go again. So he came as Gaura, Krishna. Huh? He came as Gaura, assuming the mood of Bhakta, Radharani, and cried. Do you follow Sanatana? Cried for Krishna. That was his mood. And Mahaprabhu's this Bhadandhara process is Vipralamba Bhojan, Vipralamba. Do you follow Vipralamba? Feeling pangs of separation from Krishna and crying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare. is crying, is crying. Oh Hare, oh Krishna, oh Ram. Ai Nanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Ma Visami Babambudau Kripaya Tava Pada Pankadastito Dhurisadrusa Vichintaya. Sikyastaka. Huh? Mahaprabhu has. He wrote only 6 verses. Mahaprabhu didn't write anything. Only wrote 6 verses. It contains all Vedic truth teachings. Ai Nanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Ma Visami Babambudau Kripaya Tava Pada Pankadastito Dhurisadrusa Vichintaya. Do you follow? Sanatan. Can you say its meaning? Huh? You don't know. Sikastaka. Every day you should chant Sikastaka. Daily. Yes, daily activity. After Mangala Arati, sit down and chant Sikastaka. You keep it practice, put it practice. I request you. You do? You say he doesn't know. What are you doing? Wherever Los Angeles, hell or heaven, wherever you may be, what is that? Daily, chant, cry. Follow me? Huh? Ai Nanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Ma Visame Bhavambudau Kripaya Tava Pada Pankadastita Dhurisadrusa Vichintaya. Oh Nanda Tanuja, oh son of Nanda Maharaj, I am your Kinkara. I am your servant. Somehow or other, I am fallen here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, and I've been suffering and drowning here from time immemorial. Kripaya Tava Pada Pankadastita Dhurisadrusa Vichintaya. Please think of me as a speck of dust at your lotus feet. Huh? Kaviraj Goswami writes, Tomar nityo daso mui, Toma pasoriya, Tomar nityo daso mui, Toma pasoriya, Poriyache bhavan mate, Maya bodoiya, Poriyache bhavan mate, Maya bodoiya, Kripa kori kara more, Padadhuri sama. Bolo. You are not helping me. I feel helpless. Kripa kori kara more, Padadhuri sama. Tomaro seva karo, Tomaro seva. This is crying. Huh? Mahaprabhu teaches us, isn't it? Oh, Krishna, forgetting you, I am your eternal servant. But forgetting you, I am fallen here in this dreadful ocean of materialistic existence. I have been suffering, drowning from time immemorial. Please shower your mercy on me. Please accept me as a speck of dust at your lotus feet. Let your servant serve you. Huh? Follow me. This is Mahaprabhu's teaching. Huh? In Sikastaka. He's crying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram. Oh Hare, oh Krishna, oh Ram. Please accept me as a speck of dust at your lotus feet. Let your servant serve you. Do you follow? Sanatana. Huh? With tearful eyes, you have to say this thing. Follow me. Otherwise, how can you get Krishna? Though Mahaprabhu is offering, do you understand? Giving you indiscriminately Krishna praying, but you can't receive it. Such unfortunate. Durdaiva idrusi mahadani nanura. I'm so durdaiva. I'm so rascal. Huh? Oh Lord, you are giving, but I cannot accept it. Huh? Isn't it? I can't accept it. I'm a rascal. You are giving me, but I cannot accept it. What sort of rascaldom it is? Huh? Rascaldom, nothing else. Stupidity, nothing else. Just understand. Yes. Huh? He's offering. He's offering. Indiscriminately giving. But we rascals cannot accept it. We are such rascals. Stupidity rascals. I cannot develop taste for it, attraction for it, interest for it. What to speak of? Huh? Bolo! You follow me? Wonderfully merciful, wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully munificent. Gaura, Gauranga. Huh? But we cannot receive his mercy. We are such rascals. We cannot develop interest in it. Do you understand? One should understand this thing. Only by chanting. Namnaiva pradurasidavatharati parijatra naumi gauram. Very easy. In Kali Yuga, this is very easy. Other yugas, very difficult sadhana. Very difficult sadhana. Still thousands of sadhana you will do. You cannot have it. But only by chanting Hare Krishna. You understand? Yes, pure chanting, penseless chant. You very easily get it. Still we won't do it. Huh? So unfortunate we are. Great rascals we are. Stupids we are. Huh? Isn't it? Condemn yourself. Condemn yourself. Huh? Slap with your own hands your cheeks. Slap. Laughing. Not slapping. Not slapping, laughing. Slap with your own hands your cheeks. I am such rascal. Stupid I am. Huh? What do you say, Sanatan? Yes. This holy name, giving. So all Shastric evidences are there. Shastra Pramanas are there. It's not concocted theory. You understand? Mahajanas have said, Mahaprabhu said, many Shastric evidences are there. Padma Purana says, Vishnurnamiva punsaha samarang apanudat punyamutpayadayaka brahmadisthana bhoga virati matha gro sri padadanda bhakting tattva jnanam cha vishnuriha muti janaka bhranti bijam tadadva sampurnananda bodhe mahati cha purusam sthapitva nivrutam. Padma Purana says. Vyasdev has written Padma Purana. Vyasdev says, this Harinam, holy name of Lord Hari, Krishna, destroys all sinful reactions of the jivas. And it develops Sukruti, that Sukruti that will enable you to do Krishna bhajan. Do you understand? Yes. It also develops bhakti at the lotus feet of Guru. It also develops such detachment to this material affairs, materialistic activities, material enjoyment in to be elevated to the abode of Brahma and enjoy there. It develops detachment for that also. Do you follow my language? This Harinam. It reveals if your chanting is pure, no nama sadrusam jnanam, yesterday I said. The name, holy name is the source of all knowledge. As Krishna is the source of knowledge. There is no difference between the holy name of Krishna and Krishna himself. So name, no nama sadrusam jnanam. Do you understand? If you chant real holy name, offenseless name, pure name, all Vedic knowledge, transcendent knowledge will be revealed to you. Do you understand? Yes, in third canto you will find. Aho vata sopata jigaryan juhagre vattade namatubhyam kepu tapaste juhubu sasnur arja brahmanutsur namagunanti jete. Isn't it? Do you know that verse? Devahuti kapila devahuti sambhada. Do you follow? Kapladev says to his mother Devahuti, huh? Isn't it? Don't you know it? What are you doing? Come and hear Srimad Bhagavatam. Do you understand? Yes. Kapladev says to his mother Devahuti, isn't it? Huh? So Devahuti says this to him. Aho bata sopadaji goryanjo juhagre vartade namatubhyam tepu tapaste juhubu sasnur arja brahmanuchu namagunanti jete. Oh Lord, your holy name is so transcendental, so potential. Huh? One may be a sopacha, a chandal, a dog eater, very, very fallen, degraded. But if he utters your name, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. He becomes Guru. He becomes Guru. Do you follow me? Guryan. Though he chandal, dog eater, sopacha. Huh? Do you understand? Sopacha Viguryan. Juhagre vartate namatubhyam. On whose tips of tongue your holy name dances. Do you follow my language? Huh? He may be a sopacha. He may be a chandal, dog eater, very fallen. He becomes good. Huh? Becomes so great. Huh? Tepu tapaste. He gets all the results of undergoing very severe austerities and penance. No more penance. Do you follow my language? No more penance tapasya. He gets all the result. Huh? Because pure name is not different from Krishna. He gets Krishna. Huh? Do you follow me? Narada Pancharatra says. Narada Pancharatra. Do you know? Narada Pancharatra. Huh? Narada Pancharatra. What is that? Aradhito jadi hari tapasa. Toto king. Naradhito jadi hari tapasa. Toto king. Antarvahi jadi hari tapasa. Toto king. Nantarvahi jadi hari tapasa. Toto king. Do you follow? If Lord Hari is worshipped, what is the necessity of tapasya? Huh? Huh? The ultimate aim or goal of tapasya is to get Lord Hari, isn't it? The tapasyasi kaunteya tata kurusa madarpanam, isn't it Gita? Huh? If you do some tapasya, then do some tapasya for me. Huh? Aradhito de Hari tapasya totaking, Naradhito de Hari tapasya totaking. Lord Hari is worshipped. What is the necessity of tapasya? Huh? Huh? Bolo. If Lord Hari is not worshipped, totaking, then what is the necessity of tapasya? Follow my language. Amaga Leela Prabhu. Huh? Antarvahi jadi Hari tapasya totaking, Nantarvahi jadi Hari tapasya totaking. If you can see Lord Hari within and without, what is the necessity of tapasya? Huh? If you can't see Lord Hari within and without, then what is the necessity of tapasya? Huh? Follow me? Huh? Narada Pancharatra says, Aradhito de Hari tapasya totaking, Naradhito de Hari tapasya totaking, Antarvahi jadi Hari tapasya totaking, Nantarvahi jadi Hari tapasya totaking. Then he says, Devahuti says, Tepu tapasti. Oh Lord, on whose tips of tongue your holy name dances, he has gotten all the results of tapasya. No more tapasya. Hello? Do you follow? Juhubu, he got all the results of performing all Vedic Jogyan sacrifices. No more sacrifice. Nam Jogya is the best sacrifice. Only Jogya incorrigible, isn't it? He gets all the results of all performance of Jogyas. Huh? Tepu tapaste Juhubu, Sasrur. He gets the result of, what do you say, circumambulating, going and circumambulating all tirthas, holy places, and having deep there. Do you understand me? No more going to any tirtha, any holy place and circumambulate and have a deep. He gets when he chants Hare Krishna. Huh? He puts up a Jehovu, Sasnur, Arja. He is Arjo. He is not an Arjo. He is Aryan. He is not a non-Aryan. He is completely purified. Of all that, all sinful reactions becomes purified. Huh? Arja. He puts up a Jehovu, Sasnur, Arja. Brahmanochu. He gets all the Vedic knowledge. Brahma Anuchu. The result of studying all Vedas, that means all Vedic knowledge reveals before him. Do you understand? Then it's everything. Huh? So, but we are not getting. Sanatan, not getting. So, you see, that it says, here it says. Padma Purana says this thing. That Tattva Jnanam sa Vishnuriha. Tattva Jnanam, all Tattva Jnana is revealed, manifest before him who chants this holy name of the Lord. And you will get a clear vision, then you can see what is your real relationship with the Lord. Samandha Jnana. You understand? Samandha Jnana. So this Sankirtana, Parinam Sankirtana, gives such things, such results. And chief result of Harinam Sankirtan, Mukhya Pathe Jiva Pai Krishna Premadhana. Chief result is you'll get Krishna Prema. That means you'll get Krishna. That's chief result. Again, this Padma Purana says, Bepante Duritani Moho Mahima Sammohomalambate Sasakam Sasankam Nakaranjani Kalayati Sri Chitragupta Kruti Sanandam Madhuparka Sambati Vidho Vedha Karoti Udyamang Bhaktum Namni Taveswara Virasite Brahma Kimanyata Parang. Oh Krishna, as soon as one develops interest in chanting your holy name, Hare Krishna, all these sins become frightened to approach you. Do you follow? Sins become frightened. Oh, I cannot go to that person now, because he has now developed Shraddha in chanting holy name of Lord. Do you follow me? Follow my language? Sinful activities become frightened to come to you. No, we won't go there. As soon as develop Shraddha, faith in chanting holy name. This is the truth. Follow? But we have no faith. Sansaya Atma means doubtful person. Doubtful person. Doubtful person. Perished. Sanatana. Don't be doubtful. Have unflinching faith in it. All right? Sansaya Atma vinasyati. Sansaya Atma means doubtful person perished. There's no tinge of doubt. Said. Then all the delusions, material delusions, get out. Do you understand? No delusions. Jamaraja's minister Chitragupta, who is writing, keeping account of all sinful persons, he becomes frightened to write your name in his book. Chitragupta Kruti. Do you follow? Chitragupta now becomes frightened. No, I cannot write Sanatan's name in my book now, because he has not developed Shraddha, full faith in chanting holy name. Do you follow Sanatan? Understand me? Padma Purana says. Kalayati Sri Chitragupta Kruti Sanandam Madhuparka Sambati Vidho Vedha Karoti Udyama. Do you understand? Chanting Hare Krishna, go to Golak Vrindavan. Do you follow me? One who chants incessantly Hare Krishna. Do you follow? Never forgets even for one moment. He is not afraid of death. Jamaraj will never come to him. Directly he will go to Golak Vrindavan. Do you understand? Directly go. Piercing the 8 layers of Stavarana of this material universes. Huh? Do you follow my language? So, passing topmost planet is Brahma's abode. Brahmalok. Huh? When you are passing, Brahma understands now. Now Sanatana is coming, chanting Hare Krishna. So Brahma prepares arati plate to offer arati to you. Vedha karati udyama. Huh? Sananam madhuparka sambati vidho vedha karati udyama. Yes. Lord Brahma offers arati to that person, that bhakta. Huh? Who chants Hare Krishna, chanting Hare Krishna directly goes to Golok Vrindavan. He's passing through it, going by this path. All right, offer arati. Do you follow? Huh? Follow me? Vedha karati. Bhaktum namni tabesura virasite brahma kimanyata param. So, the mercy of holy name is such, I have no language to express. Such is the mercy of the holy name. Do you follow? Yes, this is all Shastric evidences. That vibheti swayam bhayam. This is also said in Srimad Bhagavatam. Srimad Bhagavatam, essence of all Vedic literature. Apanna samsruti ghorang jannam vivasugrunan tata sadya vimuchet jad vibheti swayam bhayam. Do you understand? And who takes complete shelter unto holy name. Do you understand? Complete shelter unto holy name. And chants holy name incessantly. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram. The pure embodiment becomes frightened to approach him. Jad vibheti swayam bhayam. Do you follow my language? If fear assumes a body, he will become afraid of to approach him. Oh, I cannot go to him now. There will be no fear. Huh? Jad vibheti swayam bhayam. Why are you afraid? Huh? Kyano bhai? Masusa sarvadhaman paritejya mamekam saranam brajaham tasar papebhya mokesai masusa. Krishna says, don't fear. Isn't it? Masusa. Don't fear. Fearlessly take shelter. Giving up all varieties of dharma. If someone says, oh, I'll give up all varieties of dharma, then I'll commit adharma, pap. If such apprehension is there, Krishna assures you. Masusa, don't fear. I'll destroy all sinful reactions. Surrender. So, that is done. Thank you. Govinda he. Yeah? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. You see, you have to first hear. You understand? Let it come out from the lips of pure devotee. Then it is pure name. It is none different from Krishna. First hear, then chant. Guru utters, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. You first hear, then Guru said chant. Many times Prabhupada said chant, isn't it? Our Leela Prabhu, has he not said? He first uttered, then he said chant, isn't it? Then that is Guru's business. So, if you won't chant, he'll catch hold of your ear and slap you. Rascal, what are you doing? Chant! When it comes out, you see mantra is there in books, isn't it? Isn't it? Huh? In books, mantras are there. This Hare Krishna mantra is also there, isn't it? But when it comes out from the lips of a pure devotee, huh? All potencies are there. Pure name. Do you understand? Now, reading book, you can chant Hare Krishna, yes. But such potency will not be there. I said yesterday. Sadhava Hereva Bhruguvan. Naramatra Tarayate. This Ajamila is example, you see. He called his son, you see. But fortunately, he has named him Narayan. Narayan. Narayan is the name of the Lord. You understand? Such effect. Huh? He attended Namabhasa stage. Namabhasa stage. That means he didn't commit any offense. We have that offense. Nam bole papa buddhi. We hear this thing now. Eka Krishna nama kare sarva papa kheyo. Do you understand? One name of Krishna will destroy all sorts of sinful reactions. So one may think, very good weapon I have gotten now. I have committed many, many sins in many, many lives. Now I'll chant Hare Krishna and destroy it. Then commit new sin, again chant and destroy it. This is aparadha. Do you understand? Nam bole papa buddhi. Committing sinful activities and strength of chanting holy name. This offense he didn't commit. Oh, Jamila. You follow me? He didn't commit this offense because he is not calling Narayan. Huh? He is not thinking of that. I will call Narayan, all my sinful reactions will destroy. No such thought is there, isn't it? He is calling his son. Fortunately, the name is Narayan. So he didn't commit that offense. So he get Namabhas stage. He got Namabhas stage. So mukti is there. Liberation is there. Do you understand? The Jamadutas couldn't take him to Jama's Huh? They were prevented by Vishnu Dutas. And he didn't die. His lifespan increased, isn't it? Then what he did, didn't mention. It will come. What he did. Then he repented. When there were discourses, then some conversations between Jamadutas and Vishnu Dutas. He heard those discourses on the point of dharma. Do you understand? That is, he associated now with Vishnu Dutas. Sadhus. Do you understand? Then he repented. Oh, I am such a grateful, sinful person. Committed so many sins. No more sin now, no more sin. Lamented. Do you understand? Anutap repented. Then he went to Haradwar. Do you understand? Where sadhus are staying. And stayed in association of sadhus. Huh? Served the sadhus. Isn't it? Bhagavatam? Huh? And got such thing by association of sadhus, accepting sadhus, taking set of sadhus. Then when time of quitting this body came, the airplane came from Vaikuntha and he went there. Isn't it? Bhagavatam says this thing. Huh? This Adamita Chaitra is going on. So, yes. Better to directly hear from the lips. That will develop some interest in you. That it's better to hear from direct lips. Machine chants, a person chants. Huh? No difference. Huh? No difference. Now these materialistic persons thinking of that thing. That will teach through TV. No more teacher. Huh? Isn't it? These are all materialistic thoughts. Materialistic thoughts. Using machine. Huh? So what is the necessity? Let that all machine do. In the West, all machine doing work. Huh? That is difference. Definite difference. Hearing directly from this. Huh? Do you follow? So then you will surrender into a machine. All I do machine, I surrender into Dull-headed fellow. All materialistic thoughts. Hunting your mind, thought process. Huh? Follow my language point? Sunarma. Huh? This thought is going on. Oh yes, it chanted. Huh? Prabhupada chanted. Oh, I'm hearing Prabhupada. Best. So, all right. Machine chants. I surrender to that machine. Oh, machine Baba, I surrender. Understand? Huh? Still doubt, still he has doubt, still he has. Huh? Yes, that will help you. That's you get help. What is the books? Huh? Books are written, isn't it? Huh? Because everything will help you. He call it Yuga. Huh? Kalar dosa nidhi radhanasya kamahanu. What is it? Prayanal payusa kalabasmin jugedana. Manda smanda matayo. Manda bhagya ayu padruta. Huh? Do you follow? That was there. First canto. Prayanal payusa kalabasmin jugedana. Manda smanda matayo. Manda bhagya ayu padruta. In Kali Yuga, sinful activities are rampant. Consciously or unconsciously. All are engaged in sinful activities. So, their lifespan becomes shorter, 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 isn't it? How many persons are living 100 years? Huh? Because of these sinful activities, their lifespan becomes shorter, shorter, or payusa. And everything bad. Manda smandaya mataya, manda bhagyayi upadruta. Fortune is bad, memory is bad, knowledge is bad, intelligence is bad, everything bad. Manda. Huh? Once you hear, you forget. So books are written, they will hear from the lips of your, and getting out of the room, they forget that they read it, then revive. Oh yes, I have heard now. Books say. Hearing the tapes, again revive. Oh, yes, I had heard. Now tapes says. This help. Do you follow? Dull head. Huh? Dull head, dull head. Huh? Put some manure on his head, in his head. This manure, manuring, fertilizer. Have you? Business? Get some, put on his head. Yes. A machine cannot slap you. Yes. Yes. Do you follow? I said dull head. Dull head. All materialistic thoughts. Yes. I say, at best you will attain this stage, Lama Bhas stage, that Ajamila attained. For it, no Diksha Purasarja Vidhi, Opekya no kore. Jivaspur se acharnale saburi udhare. That is there in Chaitanya Charitamrita. It never depends, never waits for Diksha. Yes, who never waits. You can attain Lama stage. But it is not easy thing to attain that stage. Do you understand? But you can attain that stage. Namabha stage means mukti sthiti. That is mukti, liberation. I said, after that, what Ajamila did? He associated with sadhus, isn't it? Is it not mentioned here? Both! Only accepting this part, not accepting that part. Ardha kukuti, half chicken nyaya. All you are adapting this logic, half chicken nyaya, ardha kukuti nyaya. Oh yes, this is very nice, we accept it. Other half got it. No, that half I don't want. This half is all right for me. Such mentality you have. You have such mentality. Easy-going process. Easy-going process. Such mentality developing. On the way. Ardhakukuti now. Do you follow me? Adi Purush. Huh? Yes. Yes. Otherwise, how your chanting will be pure or offenseless? Sadhu Sange. If you chant in the association of sadhu, then your name will, chanting will be pure. Do you follow? Stupid mind, stupid mind, rascal mind. Your chanting is always offensive. Chanting Hare Krishna, thinking so many things. Huh? Isn't it? A good mind? Huh? If your name is pure, immediately you see all beautiful form of Krishna appears before you. Is it appearing? Not only beautiful form, I say, all kinds of leaders will like my chanting is pure. Getting Krishna now. Are you? Huh? Sanatan, are you? So, so, whole night, that story, huh? That story. Hmm? The bridegroom party, they're going, huh? Isn't it? The bride's house for marriage, huh? On the way there was the river, they have to cross the river, huh? Evening time was there, huh? And they should go by this river path, you understand? The boat, huh? So they called the ferryman, boatman, please bring boat. We have to go 100 miles. That delays our marriage. Performance is there. This is time. Early in the morning at 4 a.m., marriage will be there. Auspicious movement. Do you understand? It is evening time now. It's summer season, cool breeze. Huh? You quickly ferry us across, take there. Do you understand? If you need help, more boatmen, we are paying more money. Hire some more men. Let all of you all night row. Do you understand? Take the boat. He said, then there are allurement of money, all right. I'll hire more men. So he hired more men. Do you understand? They said, all right, you all of you sit down here. So cool breeze is going. And summer season, evening time, they call us, all right, you soja. You sleep. Hmm? There should be no anxiety. I'll take you. They are before 4 a.m. Auspicious moment, your marriage will. So, whole night, 4, 5 boatmen rowing. Then that was morning, sun rose, they got up. They saw, boat was there. It has not moved in 1 inch. Oh, what happened? Boat has not moved 1 inch. What are you doing? You cheated us? No, you see, our whole arm is aching now. Whole night we are rowing. But boat has not moved 1 inch. Huh? What has happened? Oh, you have not lifted anchor? Huh? And rowing. How the boat will move? Thank you.
Sometimes you say that, well, you say we have to listen to Bhagavatam every day and from the lips of a pure devotee. But sometimes people that get on the Vyasasana, it seems like they're somewhat motivated. So should we, what effect, how should we, approach that situation?
This is a program we should attend.
Yes.
Srila Prabhupada's purports are there.
Yes.
Uttering sloka. We'll hear it. Prabhupada translation, we'll hear it. Purports will be reading, we'll hear it. Then we'll hear what is saying. Sometimes it's not saying. This tattva is not there, something. Anyhow, uttering name of Krishna, we'll only hear that name. Best. I tell you one story. This is true story. It took place in Mayapur. One old sannyasi once went with me to Mayapur. This is a festival, Gaurapurna festival. He doesn't know English. Do you understand? An Oriya man, old sannyasi. And we go to Bhagavad class and sit there. He goes and sits. But the discourses are on in English. I ask him, Maharaj, you don't know English. These all discourses are in English. But every day you go and sit there. Do you understand anything here? He said, I don't know the language. But many times the speaker speaks Krishna, Krishna. I hear that name. He reads the verse. I hear that verse. Yes. He told me this thing. Do you understand, Sanathan? Huh? Yes, that's good answer. He gave me. Yes. Huh? He's such a devotee, you see. I can hear the name of Krishna. The verse also orders, all right. Proper translation is there. Purport is there, all right. But he speaks, manner speaks so nicely.